Okay, so on the last project, I had a lot of issues using my new Grex micro spray gun. This spray gun uses a 0.7 millimeter nozzle, and I was using it with the no-name 2D air compressor, and this compressor just could not keep up with the airflow. I literally had to keep stopping multiple times just to let the air pressure build up, and this led to a lot of uneven coats. So I was originally going to buy a new shop compressor and adapt it to work with all the airbrushes, until I found out that Spray Gunner dropped a new air compressor called the Super Cool 2D that they claim can keep up with these larger micro spray guns. As you can see, this does have a 1/4 inch outlet, so you're going to need an adapter for it. Now, in my opinion, I think spray gunners should include this, but luckily for me, my micro spray gun did come with this adapter, and all it is a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch fitting that allows your airline to connect to it. Just like the original 2D, this is a dedicated airbrush compressor, so it does come with the regulator and moisture trap built in. So one of the things I wanted to compare with the original 2D is how long it took for the tank to fill up and what pressure would it hold with this 0.7 millimeter nozzle. As you can see, the pressure is dropping pretty much instantly. Now, I had the regulator set at, well, as high as it'll go, but it doesn't even matter because it is losing pressure immediately. And in the end, it pretty much held about 20 psi continuously. Okay, so here is the Super Cool 2D, which is slightly louder than the original 2D, but I don't think it's anything you would worry about considering the extra power that it has. So we're gonna let this build up. As you can see, it maxes out at about 60 psi, and again I have the regulator set at about 55 psi, and we'll see what it will hold. So I held this for about, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes straight, and it never dropped below that 55 psi. So I would say that it's more than adequate for using these micro spray guns. I tested out this compressor on my latest print called the Culture. So here's some footage of me painting that print, but in the meantime, hit that like button and subscribe so I can bring you more content in the future. Okay, so in conclusion, I think this might be one of the best airbrush compressors for the money. Regardless if you're using a small airbrush or one of these micro spray guns, this compressor keeps up no problem. Now we'll see how it holds up over time as far as durability, but as of right now, I really like it.